besties. I hope that you guys have had a really great week. I'm feeling just a little bit under the weather, so I'm going to change things up. I'm going to fix myself a nice little drink, which I've already did. Fix myself my little drink. I'm going to sit down and I'm going to watch some of my favorite besties on YouTube while you guys enjoy my little video this week, which is basically just sharing with you some pictures of my favorite vignettes throughout the house to wrap up my summer videos for this year, because I am getting ready to head into fall. So I hope you enjoy the pictures set to music. I hope they give you some inspiration, and I'm sorry that it wasn't like a full-on home tour, but you know, that life happens, and you guys have seen a lot of my house the past few weeks, and so I'm just gonna leave it at that and get ready for fall. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful week, a wonderful Sunday, and until next Sunday when we do this all again, which it'll be a thrift haul, and I will be feeling better. I know I will. So until then, I will see you guys later. Enjoy the video.
Just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong, a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow. Forever we will grow. Deep within your eyes, I found a home. The love that we share can never grow. In your gaze, the world looks bright, forever by your side. This town is quiet, serene and wide. You keep me warm and safe at night. No matter the season, we always bloom, 'cause you light up the gloom. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow. Forever we will grow. Forever we will grow. Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line. Like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine gets me